Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Ederlyn Patriarca. I'm 39 years old, married, and have 4 children. All are boys, ages 21, 20, 12, and 8 years old. I'm graduated of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. I have a work experience in Hong Kong, 1 year and 3 months, got terminated because of my employer relocation. They have 4 family members, 3 adults, and 1 baby. My main duties are cleaning the house, mopping the floor, washing the dishes, laundry, marketing, ironing, cooking, taking care of the baby, and always secured baby safety. I also know how to cook Chinese and Western food, but not a lot of dishes, but I'm willing to learn more from my future employer. I'm also a reliable, trustworthy, honest, hardworking, and a very fast learner person. To my future employer, I promise to you that I will do my best working with you, follow all your rules and regulations, and love your family as my family too. Thank you, Madam and Sir. See you soon. Bye-bye.